Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the speed unit on the OnCourse application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the Tools section, click to the first option, the Settings. At the left side on the screen, go to the Units and Time section, and in the vessel speed section, you can select knots, kilometer per hour, or mph, and just select one and click that and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.